Good evening, kids. Welcome back to English class. In today's class, we will learn use of this and these. So, first of all, I will tell you all what is the meaning of this. This we use when we are talking about a single thing, and these we use when we are talking about more than one thing. So here are few pictures given here. Through this picture, we will learn where to use this and where to use these. Now, here you can see, here are three cups. So, as I told you all, when there will be more than one object, then we will use these. So, we will write here, these are cups. 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 These are cups. Now, next is, you can see here is only one umbrella. So, what we will write here? This is an umbrella. Because here is a single object. So, we have used here this. Next, you can see here are picture of two books. So we will use here these. So we will write these are books. When we talk about more than one thing, then we also use here are. And when we talk about a single thing, then we use here is. Next is, you can see here three flowers are here. So what we will use? These are. So we will write here these are flowers. These are flowers. Next is, you can see here is a pencil. So we will use this is. This is a pencil. This is a pencil. Next is a mango. So we will write this is a mango. Next, glass is here. So we will write this is a glass. Next, three table are here. So we will write these are tables. Next, three pots are given here. So here we will use these are. These are pots. Next is an ice cream. So we will write this is an ice cream. This is an ice cream. Next is a house. So we will write this is a house. This is a house. Next, here are two guns. So we will use these are. So we will write these are guns. So this is all about today's class, children. In today's class we learn use of this and these. So if you like my video, then please like and please subscribe my channel. Meet you in the next class with another interesting video. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.